All right, financial math class. Today, or actually this chapter, we'll be talking about credit cards and charge accounts. In class, we'll be talking more about credit cards and the benefits to them, but then also the downsides. So credit cards can be great. They can be very convenient. You can get all sorts of rewards from using them, but it's very easy to get yourself into crippling debt if you're not careful with the credit card. So we'll talk about all that in class. But for right now, we are going to talk about the basics of a credit card, starting off with account statements. So the account statements for a credit card are the same thing as the account statements for the bank accounts we talked about. So checking account and savings account. The only difference for a credit card or charge account statement is that the statement you get is the money that you owe to the credit card company. So when you're adding up everything, it's money that you owe instead of for the savings accounts and checking accounts, that's the money that you have. All right. So let's look at this. So this is number 5 from the assignment. We're just calculating the new balance on a typical credit card account statement. The new balance is the previous balance plus the finance charge. So real quick, the finance charge is the interest that the credit card charges for its use. All right. Usually it's a percentage. We don't have to calculate the finance charge today. It gives it to us, but the finance charge is interest on any purchase that you make. All right. Then you add in new purchases and then you subtract payments and credits. So payments and credits are things that you are paying, you are giving to the credit card company. So it reduces your balance on the account. So starting off, let me go green. We're going to complete this statement real simple. So basis, the previous balance, all right, is 410.91. So the previous balance here, that in black actually, 410.91. This is our starting balance. All right. Our credits. So we have some credits here. So these are things that are going to reduce the account. So we made payments of 150 and 150 and a return credit of 2190. So if we add all those up, 150 plus 150 plus 2190, put in some decimals here. That comes out to 321.90. So this, the credit, make sure you put in the right one. So 321.90. So that is getting subtracted from there. The finance charge, put the things in blue. The finance charge right here is in 719. So 719. And then the last one, new purchases. So we'll add everything up, the new purchases in red. So 7180, 2190, 111, 1660, 1049, 5180, and 675. So we have all those charges. We need to add all of them up. So 7180, 2190, 11660, 1049, 5180, and then 675. So we add all those up together. I need a calculator for that. So 71.0 plus 21.9 plus 116.6 plus 10.49 plus 51.8 plus 6.75, all comes out to $229.34. So $229.34. So those are new statements. So $229.34. So again, we want to put it in blue so we can see it. We're going to add the finance charge. subtract payments and credits, add new purchases to get our new balance. All right, so 410.91 plus 7.19 plus 321.90 plus 229.34 comes out to 969.34. Did I subtract when I was supposed to subtract? No, I did not subtract the 321. So let me subtract that. So it's actually 325.54. There we go. That looks better. So the new balance, 325.54. All right. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the finance charge. So again, the finance charge is the interest charge to use a charge account or a credit card. Real simple. So you can take your unpaid balances, you subtract the previous balance minus payments and credits. The finance charge is the unpaid balance times the periodic rate. That's just going to be the interest rate. All right. And then the new balance is the unpaid balance plus the finance charge plus any new purchases. So let's look at an example. The summary for the summary portion of Lucille Sherman's charge account statement. She had a previous balance of $132.40, made a $40 payment, and purchased an item for $79.55. The monthly finance charge is 1.5% of unpaid balance. Determine A, unpaid balance, B, finance charge, C, new balance. So unpaid balance. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. So the unpaid balance is going to be the previous balance minus payments and credits equals the unpaid balance. So I'm going to do 132.40 minus 40, and that's going to come out to 92. 92. Yeah, 92.40. The finance charge. So the finance charge is 1.5%. So I'm going to call it the FC. You do the unpaid balance. Finance charge is so 92.40 times the 1.5%. Don't forget to change it to a decimal. So that comes out to 92.40 times 0.015 is one. That rounds to $1.39. Not $13.90, $1.39. All right. And so the new balance, what you need to do for the new balance is now you're going to start here. You're going to add the unpaid balance plus the finance charge plus new purchases is equal to the new balance. So 92.40 plus $1.39 plus 79.55. So the new balance is $173.34. All right, that'll do it for us. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk more about credit cards in class. See you guys next time.